devant lieu, devant lieu. Today I'm at MIT sharing with my friend Michel Legraf, with all the students, showing my love, my poetry, and learning from them too.
I was able to have BIC in 2 of my classes, and in both classes, BIC had so much to contribute from his own biography as a Haitian, but also as an artist. You made a comment yesterday when we were discussing in the other class about your own perception of how people get treated in Haiti, depending on whether they speak Creole or French.
In Haiti, most of people speak Creole.
Yeah.
Then that is very difficult for those people when they go to the public office because people are fake.
It's kind of like you have your interview voice, you have your phone voice, and you have like the way that you speak with other people.
In Haiti, they would consider you as educated if you start speaking French. They say if you want to be an international artist, you need to sing in English, you need to sing in French, but not in Creole. It is a distance they put, a gate they put, to make you feel that you're inferior according to a language.
And what you're saying is that, well, no, our language, our culture is an asset, is wealth. And if you're proud of that, if you valorize that, then you can also valorize your country and you can share something precious with the entire world.
We're here right now in the Café Creole in Everett. Have a karaoke Creole going on tonight. This is something that's sponsored by MIT and Arts in MIT. So we're excited to have a great night tonight with BIC also is in the house, so it's going to be a very fun night.
Check.
There's this potential to have BIC perform in Everett at this restaurant that's very well frequented by Haitians. And in a way that will also allow MIT to reach out to the community and vice versa. Boston has the 3rd largest Asian community, and yet you have kids right here in Cambridge who don't know where MIT is. So I think it tells us something about this divide between places like MIT and the larger community.
Yeah.
And I think having someone like BIC here can help.
Thank you very much.
Today, in the universities, they have my lyrics in Creole. And they are happy to work over them. Even if I die tomorrow, my lyrics will be alive. This is very important to me. I've been meeting students from MIT, Americans, Africans, Asians, Caribbean. I learned a lot. For example, let me give you some example I learned. Poetry has no language. You remember the student who showed me a poetry with images? There were no sentences almost.
I can explain that a little bit if you'd like.
I'm trying to see if I can figure it out, but I'm sure I will need your help.
Well, let me know.
And then I realized that is an expression. She's trying to say something. It's not just about language. You see, it's not just about the language. It's about something you as a creator have inside and want to share. What they are saying in Haiti is like there's a nation going invited by MIT. They would want me to talk about this experience. How was it? How did you receive you? I was home. People took me for who I am, a person, not the color of my skin, not which country I'm from. They really saw me as human being, and that helped me to better share with them. You see, everyone was like a family. Everyone is a brother. Hey, when are you coming back? Are you going to sing that song for me? No, I want to listen to that song. That is their song, not mine anymore. When you are a musician, you speak a language that the world speaks. Tout moun qui pa en bataille, la terre attend nous devant. Devant lieu, choix le cap va tomber, même t'étendez en avant.
Devant lieu, c'est devant lieu, devant lieu, c'est devant lieu, devant lieu, c'est devant lieu. Devant lieu, c'est devant lieu, devant lieu, c'est devant lieu, devant lieu, c'est devant lieu.
Premier moun pour compter sous l'IA, li fait même jour avec.